What's good with it, family, man? It's your neighborhood bro Desmo checking in once again, man. I hope you guys are feeling wonderful out there, because y'all know me, man. I'm blessed by the best, man. I'm feeling wonderful, man. Feeling strong, feeling positive, energetic, man. All of that is resonating through me right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling great, bro. But check this out, family, man. Look, I know you see the freaking title of this video, man. Today, I want to kind of like bring you guys on a journey with me to pretty much let you guys know like a typical day of what I eat in a day, what I do in a day. Typically, today's Saturday. It's not a typical day of what I do throughout the week, because of course you guys know I work throughout the week. But like on this day, Saturday, bro, I want to pretty much give you guys a breakdown of how a typical off day is for me. You know what I mean? Like what an off day is, because I don't really just consider work my life. You know what I'm saying? This is really my life. This really, you know what I'm saying? This is really me right here. You know what I'm saying? So I want to kind of bring you guys with me today and just show you guys a little bit of what I do on my off days and pretty much how I eat throughout those days. So yeah, bring you guys with me, show you guys exactly what I do when I wake up in the morning, right? So boom, first things first, I hit me 150 push-ups, right? First things first.
Sit on my face, I eject that. Juice up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, you know I love.
Alright now, family, man. Got done with the push-up. Now we finna step off into the kitchen, see what we finna eat on, man. I normally drink a juice or a smoothie like in the morning, but I don't have a lot of produce to make juice or smoothie, so we're gonna opt for what we got, man. What we got is some oatmeal, right? I love eating oatmeal in the morning. I love my morning porridge, whatever y'all want to call it, porridge, morning oats. I've been actually craving baked oats, man. I actually just made baked oats like the other day. I think today we're gonna make another batch of baked oats, man. Since I've been pretty much craving it, man, I really just don't want to do traditional oats. For one, it's for the video, man. It's for y'all, man. So I want to bring you guys here with me on this special day. I want to make something special for y'all, you know what I mean? So let's get it. Start off with a good old little banana, man. Start off with a few good bananas. You know how that go, man. If you guys want to see a baked oats video, if you guys want to see my special recipe, man, drop this video 20 likes, man. 20, matter of fact, I'm gonna do 25 likes. If you guys want to see my famous old-fashioned baked oats, you will let me know by dropping the likes, bro. 25 likes, that really ain't bad. So 25 likes, I can show y'all how I really get down with the baked oats. For the lastest flexion, man. Remember that's what it's looking like. Now I can get my oats, I can get my date sugar. Normally I like, how much we gonna put with it? Right about, let's say, about a cup or more. Sugar. Too much?
Okay, let me see. No, that's fine.
Think I should put a few dates in there too?
They were good in the last one.
You know what? I'm gonna put bananas on top too. That's what Alright, family, man, now we're gonna preheat the oven, man. I ain't even done mixing all the ingredients and stuff, but I'm gonna just preheat it, man. 350. A little sun slight. Alright, let me go ahead and get back to this. Add a little cinnamon, man. I don't need too much, but sun slight. I'm gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna cut up this little apple. And
It is good. Yeah.
Apples. Alright, so family man, here we got walnut milk, right? And as you can see, the ingredients on this is just filtered water and walnuts. I got this brand because it's just that, walnuts and water, right? Of course, with the traditional almond milks, nut milks and stuff like that, it has all different type of preservatives. So I chose this brand, Elmhurst, because nothing but clean ingredients. It's like, what's the point of having all the other stuff? So we're gonna do that. I think this recipe calls for at least a cup, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe a little bit more, because this is a hefty bowl. So we'll just pour. See where it comes. Give me a little vanilla. Don't need much of this, because this stuff right here is strong. Pure vanilla extract. Really all you need for that. I don't want it too vanilla-y. I'm gonna get my spoon and mix it up real good. I'm definitely gonna need some more milk, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of stuff. Really not too big of an advocate for oil, but you know, in certain cases, man, you need this type of stuff. So I ain't gonna spray too much, just enough to coat the pan. So I'm gonna just hit it with a light. Hey. Look how good that look. Ooh, we look like we finna bake a cake. We gonna show y'all pretty much how we do it on a day of us, you know, on a day of us. How we traditionally do this thing, man. It look like it's gonna be a little oatmeal pie. Okay. Ooh, really. Just put these little apple pieces on top. Give it a little decoration. You know, you can kind of see a little bit of the things that we already put in there, but we're just gonna place a few on top. It's really the aesthetics for me, you know. Man, this junk right here finna be fire. Oh my God, I ain't gonna lie. I slick think this gonna be the recipe. It's gonna be better than the one that I was gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We also gonna top this bad boy off with the banana. I already know it's banana on the base, but we're just gonna cut up a banana and put it on top. You can never have too much banana. I personally don't think you can have too much banana. Now Mariah, on the other hand, she thinks that, you know, banana just be overpowering. But me, I'm a banana fan. I used to hate bananas though. That's what's crazy about it. I used to freaking hate bananas. But yeah. Oh my God, this ain't gonna come like a cake. Alright, that's all we got. We all good to go. Exit it out with the final topping of a little bit walnuts on top. Don't need much, you're just gonna crumble a little bit. Did that. We're gonna put this in the oven right here. We're gonna let that go for about a good, I'm gonna say, you know what, I can do 30. 30 would be cool. 30 minutes. We're gonna check it at 25, but 30 minutes to be sure. We're gonna see what it's looking like in 25, 30 minutes. I'll see y'all there. Let's get it. So in the meantime, bro, I forgot I had these blueberries. I forgot I had these blackberries in the refrigerator, and just decided to just get a few, just get a little bit. I don't need much. There's something to put on our stomach first thing in the morning. We try and make sure we have like fruit first thing in the morning. It's really like the best time you should eat fruit first thing in the morning. So I'm just gonna hit knock out that. Yeah. I bet. Come on. So, 25 minutes in, well pretty much 26 minutes in, as you guys can see. Now I'm coming to check on that bad boy. Oh my gosh! It looks good. There. Look at it, y'all. Look at it, y'all. Oh, gotta zoom in on that. Come on. Put your, yeah, bring it up. Yeah, oh yeah. Let me stick a foul, Candy. Let me stick a foul, Candy. Ooh. I think that's it right there.
Yeah, still gotta let it firm too. Firm up too.
Ah, sheesh. Yes, sir. Finished product. Got apples, dates, bananas, and walnuts on top. Oh my God, that's the way to cook it. Crumbles. Ooh-wee. Like Bruce Almighty. Ooh. Yes, sir.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Moments later.
My foot is loaded.
Yeah.
You know, I am praying. Yeah. That apple, banana, date. I think it's healthy, bro. Like, it is really just oats and fruit. Yeah, you want one more look. One more with you.
All right.
So today, man, we here with Queen right here, man, my baby girl, and y'all already know, man, we finna hit legs today. Of course, you guys know, if I hadn't already shared this, but Mariah is now a certified personal trainer. So today, she's gonna be putting us both through a leg routine that she pretty much already jotted down. She pretty much already got everything pretty much planned out. So we gonna be hitting her leg routine today. Extremely excited to see what's gonna be going, what she gonna be putting me through today. I'm pretty sure I can handle it. I'm pretty sure I can handle it.
Yeah, you can handle it.
Yeah, for sure.
You can
So we finna do that, and yeah, man, let's get to it, fam. So the very first thing we finna hit today, y'all, we finna hit the stairs, man. If you guys don't know what the stairs are, these are the stairs right here. They may not look like nothing, but these just can get pretty intense. No cap, I ain't gonna lie. So we're gonna hit 20 minutes on the stairs. We're gonna check and see what Mariah got planned, what she got in store for us. So let's get it, y'all.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
Alright guys, so we just finished this leg routine, killer workout. Got him over here pretty much crawling out the gym. So
Crawling out the gym, still in the gym.
but
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Just standing here, baby, I just need to sit down. Like, my legs and my quads are ready.
yeah.
I'm just ready to sit down. second, but yo, if you guys want to check out this workout, bro, link is gonna be in the description below. All the workouts that we do today are gonna be in the description below. So if you guys want to check it out, bro, do your thing, man. Hey, if you guys also want to find you a certified personal trainer, man, they ain't gonna get you right.
Yes. Yes. I'm gonna for sure get you right.
Her link to all that, her Instagram, whatever, it's gonna be in the description below. If you guys want to check it out, man,
hit me up. Hit me up.
It is what it is, but we finna hit this sauna right quick again. We finna be on our way to meal 2. I don't know what that meal gonna be like. But we gonna hit that jump. What it is gonna be, but it is what it is, man. We gonna see y'all in the next meal, family. Let's get it. Alright, boom, family, man. We back home from the gym. It's nighttime right now. Really don't have the best lighting right now in my kitchen. It's an LED light, but like I said, we just came back from the gym. We was gonna pretty much go for that afternoon, like lunch or snack, whatever you want to call it. I'm pretty much gonna be making this fruit-like bowl. It's a bowl where I pretty much like combine bananas, apples. I got some old blackberries. It's gonna be literally like a bowl. And I'm gonna top it off with probably some walnuts, probably a little bit of walnuts, some date sugar, and yeah, that's pretty much it. What else I got? Yeah, pretty much it. So that's what we finna do right now. It's gonna be something simple, man. Something like, I normally do this when I'm being lazy. It's pretty easy to make, so yeah, we finna do that. Let's get it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that shit.
Alright, now the bananas all chopped up, so we just place these in the bowl. Just put a good amount. Like I said, it's probably the simplest dish that I'll ever make, literally. It's literally like cereal. I call this like fruit cereal. What's something like? Alright, now family, man, we're gonna now set these out to the side. This apple right here. Let's take it in half. Just dice it.
Everybody else basic, you live life.
Really, just kind of want to just slice them into smaller, like silver, I guess you can say.
Dedicated.
So you can see, they're coming out to be like really in like pieces. It's normally how I like it. Now that we have the apples all cut up and they're looking pretty nice, just disperse them. I'm gonna go with this, man. So now I'm pretty much gonna break my date up into pieces and just top it with that. Give it some extra sweetness. I love dates. Dates are actually pretty cool. They're high in iron. They help to get that blood flowing, man. So love it. Love it. Nice sweetness to add to any meal, man. Especially if you're vegan, plant-based. Yeah, you gonna love dates. Well, not everybody like dates, but I like them. I like them to add them to my smoothies. It may look weird right now, but I'm trying to tell you, you make this at home, boy, you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. Now the bowls are all topped off. You guys can see apples, dates, and banana so far. So now we're gonna do this. Our last fruit, which is blackberries. I had a little more from earlier, so put a few of those. You don't need much. I like blackberries. Blackberry, I think, my favorite berry. You know, so add a few of those and give it that extra little spunk. You know, get a good look on that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Might as well just use them all. It seemed like a big bowl. This really, y'all, this really not a lot of calories at all. This is literally like 3 bananas. 3 bananas is 300 calories. Yeah, a few berries and 1 apple. It really ain't a lot. So I'm gonna get a couple walnuts. Don't need much. Not even a handful. It's kind of like sprinkling it on both. Walnuts are very omega-3 rich. So you want to make sure you get walnuts or flax in your diet every day, or hemp seeds. Definitely, or chia seeds, you know. We're gonna put a little date sugar, pretty much top it off. I'm telling y'all, this seems weird, but I promise y'all try this at home, y'all gonna love this. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little cinnamon. Cinnamon? Cinnamon. We're gonna add a little cinnamon, kinda, you know, we don't need much. That's pretty much it. So now we just gonna mix up everything real good. Mix it up real good. Flip it, toss it. Yeah. I figured, I got a long draining workout like that. You need to replenish your body with the necessary nutrients for your body to function. It's the perfect meal. Like I said, it's simple, straight to the point. A little baby can make this.
Literally.
I feel like I'm more of like a texture person.
Me
so
too.
some have kind of like being mixed with some soft and some crunchy. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord. As y'all can see, we killed it. We killed it. We killed it. We got this wrapped up. Pretty soothing type of meal. But baby, she said she wants some sushi tonight. And I did promise her that I was gonna take her out for sushi. So I guess we're gonna find some sushi tonight, right? Mm-hmm. Find some sushi. That was like the lunch or whatever.
That was like pre-dinner.
Pre-dinner, like the pre-dinner meal. Like I said, we gotta eat the fruit. You gotta make sure you eat your fruit every day, man. Fruits and vegetables. I hadn't had a lick of vegetables today. I've been eating fruit and oats.
Yeah.
And more fruit.
Yeah, that's all I got.
But anyway,
Probably
yeah.
get a good little salad wherever we go.
A good little salad. So
Some type of
facts. But yeah. We finna get some sushi, man. I'm gonna let you guys know where we going in a little second. I don't even know where we going just yet. I still gotta take a shower. I still gotta take a shower. So I'm gonna pretty much inform y'all on where we going in a little second, man. Let me get freshened up right quick, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir, ski. Let's get it, family. Yes, sir. We started off with something light, man. I think Mariah, she got the seaweed salad. Seaweed salad, I got the house salad. I'm trying to start off real light. Seaweed salad, house salad. Yeah, and we also got drinks too. Typically, we don't drink like that, but we go out, we like to have fun too, you know? Hey, man, it's okay, sometimes.
On occasion.
That actually look pretty good. What is it, cherry in there? That's the fake cherry right there. That ain't a real cherry. This one right here look like a real deal martini with the salt around it. Come on. That's gonna look crazy. Ryan got the seaweed salad. I don't know what that is on top, but what is this, like some? Is that like some?
That's cucumber, I think.
You sure? Or is that
It's cucumber.
Okay.
It's cucumber.
Cucumber. And I got like this house salad. I don't know what this is on top, but wonton
Strips.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Let me come inside you. Let me plant that seed inside you. That's the distance. Only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real. Only thing I can feel. So why you bother me? Why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
I don't even know where we was. I just had to re-record this whole
We pretty
video.
much was saying, like, the lady was saying, we ordered too much food.
Yeah, to pretty much piggyback off of what she just said. Our waitress said pretty much we ordered too much food. I think I got like, it was like a bowl of veggies pretty much.
I ordered some noodles.
And then we ordered like 4 rolls of sushi. You know, we normally how we do it, we kind of like share whatever we eat, whatever we buy. So that's what that was. Our waitress, she pretty much stopped us completely.
Like, nah, okay. That's like gonna be a lot of food. We like
we ain't trying to come here and be mad versus food. We trying to do no mukbang for y'all. Like, we literally just come here to have a good time. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It really ain't too bad. What's this again?
the soba buckwheat noodles with the veggies.
Yeah, that look fire.
Yeah.
And these are all the sushi rolls that we acquired tonight. Avocado rolls. I don't even know where to start. What is this? I don't even know what that is.
Squash.
Squash rolls. don't know what this is. Pickled something. I don't know what that is.
Shiitake one, I think.
Shiitake.
And I have no idea.
Oh, these them veggie rolls.
Oh, the
Veggie joints.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, that junk look pretty good. I don't know what that is in there, but it look good. Plenty of ginger, of course, and my veggie plate. It looks good. I thought it was gonna be an enormous amount of food, but it's actually pretty straight, and it's a steam, you know. So yeah, and I got another drink too. It's called the Gilligan's Island.
Yeah, there you go.
Gilligan's Island. I'm gonna just call it Gilligan's Island. It's just fire. I think Mariah, she got the same drink that she been getting.
It's my
the
third
one. So yeah, let's see what all this tastes like, y'all. I don't even know what this one is. What is this? I think this is squash roll.
I think so.
Y'all like zucchini. Y'all ain't know what they want. It's pretty much what we got in addition to my veggies. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm finna actually enjoy this, bro. I'm tired of flipping this camera, bro. I'm gonna enjoy this food, and I'm gonna let you guys know how everything turned out. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Same veggie with no seasoning. No seasoning. We're all good. Lord. Goodness gracious. All that food, y'all. Come on. We rose to the challenge.
Somebody put some thought on
This is a real deal food challenge.
Yes, can't stand it.
I say definitely one of the best sushi restaurants in Memphis for sure.
So I could bug everyone.
I like they options.
Need to get them
Oh, yeah, they got a lot of
to Charlottesville.
For me. What is it called? Sekusui or something like that. But I want to link it down in the description below. It's going to also pop up at the bottom of the screen. So, yeah, I guess that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Pretty much just giving you guys a typical day of what myself as a vegan typically eats during a day. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did making this for you guys, man. A whole lot of work put into this video, man. So I just hope you guys enjoyed it, bro. I love y'all, man. We love y'all, man.
Off the couch real quick.
Yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video.
Say she got a man, and another one that goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017.